Noah's Ark, Genesis 6:7. Noah was a goody man. He walked with God. The earth, very simple in God's eyes. God said to Noah, I am going to finish to all people. I am going to destroy them in the earth. Make yourself an ark. Bring male. Bring male and female of every living thing to the ark to take food for you and for them store it away. Noah did everything actually as God commanded. Noah and his family entered the ark. Rain fell and the waters rose. The ark floated on water. Every living thing on the earth was with death. Only Noah and those who were with him in the ark were left. God's process to know. Genesis 7:8. The waters flooded the earth for 150 days. But God shone and all of the animals in the ark. God sent a wind over the earth, and the water began to go down. The ark came to a rest on the mountains. After 40 days, Noah opened the window. Noah sent a raven out. It kept flying back and forth. Then Noah sent out a dove. The dove couldn't find any place to put its feet down, so the dove returned to Noah. Noah waited for 7 days more. Sent the dove out again. The dove returned to him. There in its beak was a fresh olive leaf. Noah waited for 7 days. He sent them out again, but that time it didn't return to him. Noah and his family came out of the ark. All the animals came the ark, so did all the birds. God said, I will never destroy all living things again. As long as the earth lasts, there will always be time to plant and a time to gather crops. There will always be cold and there will always be summer and winter day and night. I have put my rainbow in the clouds. I will be the sign of covenant between me and the earth.
Very good, Joe.